Hello, there's Peter Beckenham, the Village Marketer, and today I just want to show you how I go about setting up what they call an RTMojo link, a retargeting link that you can use for anything, right? So if people click the link, whether they opt into your page or not, you've still collected their email address so you can retarget and market to them. That's the power of this. So first of all, I'm going to log into my attraction funnel back office because that's where you'll find the RTMojo link. But before I do, look up in the address bar there. You can see villagemarketer.info/w, right? The reason you're seeing that there rather than the attractionfunnel.com is because I have mapped my domain. And you need to do that. You need to map your domain before you can use any of the tools, all right, in the back office of 2help2 and the attraction funnel, right? And mapping the domain is easy. I mean, truly it is. If I can do it, anyone can do it. It's pretty simple. And there are videos that show you how to do it. But if you get caught, let me know and I'll show you, all right? So let me just log in to the attraction funnel, which is villagemarketer.info for me because I've mapped my domain to it. All right, so now we're in there and I'm going to RTMojo, okay? Now I've only got a couple so far, right? I've got Silent List Builder and I've got Profitable Painless Prospecting. That's just a particular page I wanted to collect people's retargeting links for. So let me add a new one, a new pixel, a new RTMojo link. And what I'm going to use is this one, Are You For Real Online? So copy the particular URL. And by the way, the reason I'm doing that is because this is a 15-minute video. And if people don't click this link here, which actually goes to a free coaching offer I've got, okay, then I've still collected their email. So even if they haven't, if they've just watched the video but not taken the next step, I've still got some information on them I can retarget to them. That's the beauty of RTMojo, right? So now I go back to add a new pixel. Well, first of all, I'm going to put this down here. This is the destination link, the URL. Okay, and so I added the name here. Are You For Real Online? Okay, and I've got my destination URL. This one here. That's where I want to send them. In other words, to here. Okay. So now, before doing anything else, I'll publish it. Okay. So immediately I've got myself an RTMojo link. It's there, okay? It's a bit useless just now because I haven't got anything attached to it, but or you can come down the page a bit longer and you can see it here too. It's the same one, right? That's your RTMojo link for whatever page you are wanting to promote. But what I need to do now to start collecting the retargeting options is to here. Make sure you're logged into Facebook and just click here. And that'll take you to your audiences, right? There we go. Now you can see the ones in red there. These are brand spanking new. They're both from 2help2. You need about 200 or 300 people in there before they turn green, like they are, and they're ready to retarget, right? So what I come up here is I create a Facebook audience, and I create a custom audience. And the one you want is a website traffic. Okay. Now, anyone who clicks your website? No, I'm going to do it. People who visit a specific web page, right? And the web page is, come back to RTMojo, this one, right? The one we just created, the RTMojo link I created. So now I'll come back to Facebook and I'll create a custom audience. Anyone who visits the website, I'm doing it again because I've just lost the previous one. Specific web page, and here I'm putting in that RTMojo link, right? I'm going to put URL equals, and that there is my RTMojo link, all right? Then I want to change this from 30 days to 180 days because that's the maximum you're allowed to do from Facebook for retargeting. And in here, I'll put in, so I'll remind myself, Are You For Real Online? So then I create the audience, or before I do, just check. That's the RTMojo link, 180 days, people who visit a specific web page, right? And it's website traffic we're going for. Click audience. Thank you very much, Facebook. Click OK. So then now come up here to the one you've created, put a little marker there and click Actions and click View Pixel. That's the way to tick. And there is the pixel, right? So click this and have a little notebook ready. I've got some from before, okay? Are you for real online? And down here I'll just plonk the Facebook pixel. But while I'm on the job, what I should have done before, and I forgot about it, is to take the RTMojo link itself and also keep a copy of that. So I'll put that in there. Okay, so now I've got the RTMojo link and the Facebook pixel code, all right? Get a copy of the pixel code from Facebook, going back to the RTMojo, right? Are you for real online? There it is. Now, slide down the page and we're going to put in here Facebook. Put in Facebook, make sure it's in the header. So you've got a header and a footer, make sure it goes in the header, and then just paste your code in there. And when you've done that, click Update. Now what you've got is an RTMojo link, and we'll test it in just a minute. Now before I do that, I want to make sure you got one of these. Up in my Chrome toolbar, see that? Facebook Pixel Helper. So if you haven't got one, just go into Google, Facebook Pixel Helper, okay? And there it is there. And it's free. Just click that. I can't do that because I've already got it, okay? Click that and add it to your, well, I'll show you if I do it. And it'll tell me already added to Chrome, okay? Already added. But otherwise it'll say add to Chrome, all right? And when you add it, then you'll get, we don't see all that rubbish, right? You'll get this little thing up here, all right? Now, before you do anything else, what I also want to do is this. Come back to the pixel, right? And we've now got it attached to Facebook. Excuse that, I'm a great typist. Attached to Facebook, but you can add other pixels there. You can collect lots of lists at the same time. Places like perfect audience and ad roll and all these things, right? You can add them there. Just keep adding pixels, right? But the other thing, what I like to do is this, is I'm going to copy this, that's my RTMojo link, and go into Pretty Link, because you've got that also, the Pro version, in here, right? This is just one of the many tools you've got within the back office, all right? And add a Pretty Link. So now it's got, I'm not sure about this one, 307 temporary and 301 permanent. I mean, I've been doing this, but I don't know what to do. But in here, the target URL is your RTMojo link, right? That's your retargeting link. And here, the Pretty Link, now let's call it something for real. That'll do. And the title is, Are You for Real Online? Because that's what I'm hoping people end up on. When they click my RTMojo link, one, I'm going to collect their email for retargeting, and then secondly, get to this link. And even if they don't click this link for me, I've still got their email for retargeting and also for email marketing. I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so are you for real online? Okay. Then I just simply come down here. Let me just double check that. Yep, that's my RTMojo link. That's my Pretty Link. And come down and click create. So there we are. Now, one last thing. Before I test this link, when people click this RTMojo link, they can also be added to an external autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber or MailChimp, etc. Now to do that, you don't do this in the attraction funnel, you do it in the back office of 2Help2. You've got to go to your profile. So this is what you do. Let me just log in here. This is the back office of 2Help2, right? Not the attraction funnel. Go to profile settings, slide down here. Here, set up your profile settings. Now, this is pretty simple. Name, first name, email ID, phone number, okay, Facebook ID, Skype ID. You can add all sorts of stuff in there. my Bitcoin receiving address. And by the way, Bitcoin's brilliant. You get paid within 15 minutes, right? And if you're not sure how to do that, there's a very simple video in the back office that shows you. But also here, you can add in your autoresponder code. Just work out what list you're going to add people to in GetResponse or Aweber, right? Get the code and simply put it in there. Okay? Put it in there and then click Save the profile. Yes? Alright, well done. So now what happens is this. We've got a pretty link, right? In my case it's called For Real. And it is my retargeting, my RTMojo link, and it's also going to add emails to my email list. And to prove that it works, this is what we're going to do. Okay? Now before I click that link, make sure, just watch this one here, right? The Facebook Pixel Helper. Because when I click this link, okay, it should register, and if that's registering, it means it's being added to my Facebook retargeting list automatically. And it's also going to my GetResponse one as well. So here we go. Click the link. Watch. See if we get something. There you go. The pixel has dropped. Did you see that? A little 1 there. The pixel has been dropped, which means you are starting to build your retargeting list, and at the same time you're also building your email marketing list. I hope you found that helpful. I hope it's new to me, so bear with me if I struggle a little bit along, but once you get going, it's not that difficult. And the key issue for me is the fact that by using that one link I can build multiple lists, and that is pretty darn magic, right? All right, I hope you found it helpful. All the very best. Talk to you next time. Bye for now.